Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipe and instructions, see bottom page. This elegant chicken roll combines the nutty depth of Parmigiano Reggiano with the earthy aroma of fresh sage. After a gentle roast and a quick pan finish, the result is tender, cheesy perfection, especially when served over creamy scalloped potato. Like and subscribe. Instruction: lay a sheet of plastic wrap on your work surface and place the chicken breast in the center. Cover with another layer of plastic wrap and gently pound with a meat mallet until evenly thin. Remove the top wrap and season the chicken with onions powder, salt, pepper, chopped sage, and grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Roll the chicken tightly into a cylinder. Wrap it firmly in a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for an hour to set the shape. Lightly oil a skillet and roll the chicken in the oil to coat. Roast in a conventional oven at 375 Fahrenheit, 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven, slice into a small round, and continue to roast for another 5 minutes in the same skillet until golden. Serve over scalloped potato as shown in the prior video. Garnish and enjoy warm.